You have to say Nashville was definitely not the weekend that pro circuit and either Levi Kitchen or that guy right there, Cameron Mcadoo, was looking for. Obviously, there were some injuries, and it started with the stupidest thing, that right there. In qualifying, he's on a roll lap, and you can just see somebody cut in front of him, and then whatever it is, shoulder right into the face of a jump with the bike hitting him from behind, and it really just went downhill from there. Obviously, this is the start of the main where you see Levi Cutchin and Cameron right next to each other. Cameron, a little bit of cross jump, hits him, and then you can see right on the top of the screen, goes high, falls over, and gets run down. Run over, whatever you want to call it. He posted on his Instagram, quote, "Unfortunately, yesterday during qualifying while on a roll lap, another rider and I came together, damaging my shoulder. I did everything in my power to race the main last night, but it wasn't possible to finish safely. I will be further evaluated this week to find out the extent of it and will update everyone accordingly. It's very easy to resort to blah 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 blah." And he says, good thing that Levi Kitchen's okay. But it really sucks when you consider it. You had two guys leading both East and West for Pro Circuit, and as they've come in now, Levi Kitchen is two down to RJ Hampshire, and Cameron really got screwed out of this. He's 16 down to Vial and three down to Hayden Deegan, so he dropped third. And it sucks because it's one of those things that the PC curse, whatever you want to talk about, every single year it seems like Mcadoo and Faulkner and everybody, they do really good. They're doing, fast lap times. They look fast, and then a crash happens and they get injured. And then, you know, especially this year is worse because they've gotten all the way to this point, leading the championship, especially for Cameron, to have a really good year, have a year that looks like it's finally going to work out. Everything's going to fall into place. You're going to win your 250 title and progress, and then this a stupid little crash at the beginning of the weekend or beginning of the qualifying, which is hilarious to watch. It's just like the slow motion pain, and then the main to have that happen, especially against your teammate, not even somebody else you're racing or whatever, but it's got to be horrible for him, good for the team, and it sucks. uh I don't know. There's nothing as far as I can see that's been an update, a super update for that. Hopefully he is just sore. Let's say it's just a bruise, contusion, whatever you want to call it, and he gets to race next weekend. But whatever it is, I don't know. But we're at the point of the video. Comment down below. Tell me who you think wins. Obviously, do you think Jet Lawrence wins the 450 since he's taken the points back? Do you think RJ Hampshire comes back or Levi Kitchen? Or do you think, Vial, Deegan, Mcadoo wins? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.